Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Traders Lab. We are back. Due to lockdown I was not able to make videos. So from today we will start making videos on daily basis and some new strategies and knowledge to all to how to mark levels and trade in volatile markets. So we will start. First of all I will tell you about Nifty. So let's get started. So we will first look at weekly or monthly close as we have started a new month. So previous month was a very huge sell-off candle and it shaked out all buyers up to 7557, and then we see a nice bounce. So for future references, our resistance is around 10,018 to 30 area, which was our previous support area. So and our next support area in monthly basis comes around 8978, which acted as previously resistance, so that will be our support. So as long as we are above 8978, so we can expect to reach these levels. In case of volatility and market gap or gap down, we will have to adjust ourselves. So we will see another weekly, as in weekly market closes near week's high, and if we opened near 9300, which is our weekly support, if we hold this, then we can see expect a bounce towards 95, 96 and 10,000 areas. Below this week's low we will be heading towards 8978, and if we broke these lows, which was of previous candle low, which comes around 8820, sorry, low is 8990. So below 8990 we can see a sharp sell off again back towards 86 and 8200. As long as we are above 8978, then we are in safe territory. In it I am talking about bulls. In daily we are looking at, we have approached near resistance area, but still we opened couple of time gap up, and now this area will be important support as it was acting as a resistance. Below this we can head toward this low. Below this we should be going around 85 to almost 8050 areas, which is a gap area. So we are clear with Nifty. Now we will talk about some stock. One stock I am following continuously is Maruti. First of all I will see it how it monthly. Look at this, it was respecting a trend line once here, second here and third instance here, but it rejected from its nearest resistance zone, which was previously a support area. So as long as we are trading below 5600, we are still in a downtrend, and our support for nearest support comes around 4670 to 4700. So we will be watching very closely these level. If we hold, then again we can pull back toward this resistance. Above this a new trend can be formed as market has respected this trend, and below break of this lows and close we will be seeing much lower levels around 3000 and 2000 levels in Maruti. So as long as we are holding this trend line, we could be in range in 5600 to 4100. So this will be the area in between. These are important support and resistance. On weekly basis we are in a range. This was a bearish engulfing, we retested it. So these high lows are important for daily purposes, daily intraday trading. For these range is important, 4980. Below this we can head toward 4892 and weekly monthly support 4720. So basically 4700 is an important support in Maruti, which also comes around this candle low. If we break this, then we are heading towards 42 and much lower, else we can see a bounce. So we should have to adjust ourselves. Next I will be talking about gold. Gold has been in a nice uptrend, and market nowadays is in a range of 44,800 to 46,800. So if we broke below this lows, then we can head towards 43,800 and 43,000 levels, else we can see again bounce towards 46,000, which is a resistance. So if we broke this, we have started, first sign of bearishness comes here. So as long as we are below 46,800 and 44,800, we are in a range of 2,000 point. So we can expect to trade in this range. After breaking of this and this, we will start a new trend. So you should be following these levels very closely in gold. Another stock we will be talking about is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, in monthly we will start from weekly. Weekly it has formed a bullish candle, but with a pin with pin bar. In monthly we have formed a high wave candle, almost a doji, but it closed above its middle range, so it is a high range candle. So in this case, this high and this low is important. If we broke above 2550 and continuously closed above, then we can head towards 3000 areas. Or if we broke below 1900, then the next supports comes around 1550 to 1600 range. So this is a larger view. In daily charts, we are in a trend channel and formed a bearish candle, so we can expect to test below levels 2050, 2070, which is a daily support. So for positional players, these levels are important. Okay, then we will see Bank Nifty, or we can see another stock if we have, I think we have Lupin. So pharma has run up a very good, so it is at resistance area and formed a bearish candle. So 855 to 860 is an important resistance area. If we close above 905 to 9030 range, then we could be having a breakout. Then Lupin can run very fast to 1995 to 1094. So as long as we are trading below this, we can expect to trade in a range which comes in 788 to 855. So our main aim is to trade the range, so we will be looking to trade the range. At lower point we will be looking for long areas, and above we will be looking at short areas. So if we look very closely, we can form a head and shoulder pattern like this. If I am predicting a future, so in this area if we formed it, then we can see some sell off in Lupin. So you should be watching Lupin very closely. Now we will mark some levels in Bank Nifty, as market is is very volatile, and this is traders favorite thing, Bank Nifty. So we will see in monthly. Compared to Nifty, it has not given a good return in monthly basis, as market recovered Nifty more than Bank Nifty, so it is underperforming. So in this case we will be having resistance at in our future, it will be at 2366 to 7 areas, and our nearest supports comes around 1987. This is a bullish candle low also. So if we traded below this roughly, then we can head towards more bearishness towards 18230. So as long as we are holding this, then we are in safe hands. And monthly basis we will check, yes, this is a support, so we will be looking very keenly on these areas. On daily we are looking at this area, and this also is a good important support. So levels to watch out is 19800 to 700 roughly range. If we hold it this, then we can move towards in a high range. So these are important levels in Bank Nifty. So I will be posting daily videos. This was the larger view for investor or some short-term traders. So for more intraday levels and some intraday setups only for learners, they can join my Telegram channel, whose links are in following my channel videos. So one should go there and join. I will post here also the same link. So one should be ready for taking decisions in market with this reference to levels. So share to many people. I will be sharing some other strategies also in coming days, so you should share my channel and subscribe to. Hope you all like it. Thank you very much for watching.